Hello, everyone. I am here to share a resource that I found that one of my fellow complex needs teachers is using in the States. It's called boomlearning.com. I'm going to share my screen and show sort of what I've made and then a little bit of how you can adapt it. So it is obviously suitable for children of lower abilities, younger ages, but you can also add it in for upper children based on what questions you make. So I'm going to go share it here. I'm going to show what I've made. Share screen. So I've got my thing up here. If it decides to open. So I'm going to go to the very beginning. I've created all of these. I'm going to hit preview just so you can see what the kids would see. So I'm doing WH questions, who, what, when, where, why type thing. And I'm making it so they only have two options. So I'm going to click here, start, which brings you to the first page. Where do you sleep? If you get it right, it's got a green circle that goes around it. If you get it wrong, that's what happens. And you continue on, what can I eat? Sandwich. What keeps me dry? An umbrella, etc. You get the gist of it. If they're not sure, they can skip the question. Obviously, you can see that I have not finished this one. So I'm going to go back and sort of show how to make it. I'm going to go to a blank one here. So I'm going to put, where do we make dinner? So I'm going to drag this text box. Pretty straightforward. Where do I make dinner? I'm going to change the font because I like this one. I'm going to bold it and I'm going to change it to the sizes I've made on the other slides. So there are now a couple different options of how you want your presentation to look. So you can either they can choose just a picture. So if kids aren't reading yet, and then you have to, in order to get a picture, these are ones I've uploaded, or I can go to my upload page, which I've put on my desktop a bunch of like clip art photos. So kitchen, and I can then pick my pitch. And then I can make this either the correct answer or the incorrect answer. So I'm going to click correct. It's now put a green circle around it. That's just what I can see. The students only see a gray box. And then if I wanted to put another picture in image, oh, I got to drag it. Not bad. Say couch. So now we've got their two choices. I'm going to make this one wrong. And that's it. Those are just for picture options. I'm going to delete these because I don't want picture options. What I've been using is Caption Pick, which then lets you put a picture in a caption because I like to associate the words with pictures. That's my own teaching philosophy. You can do multiple choice answers. So I could write in, and you could kitchen, bathroom, etc., etc. See how this one's green? I could change it to wrong, even though it's not wrong, and make the bathroom the correct answer. So whatever's highlighted in green is what will go right. If there's two correct answers, you can make them pick two correct answers. So if I wanted this one to be correct too, I could say what are two places or whatever question you want to move on. Again, I'm going to delete this because I don't want that. There's also multiple picture answers. So instead of uploading a bunch of different ones, you can put them in here for pictures, as well as fill in the blank. I have yet to do this one. So I'm not 100% sure. There is a tutorial on the website that is probably a lot more clear. I'm eventually going to be doing animal sounds with my kids, so I can put sounds in here. But hopefully that's helpful. When you're done doing, you can change the color and the background of different buttons and things like that. Once you're done, if you assign it to the kid in their email or even and send it to them and they open it through there, it will give you how many questions they got right and how many they get wrong. So that's another assessment tool that you could be using. I've just started playing around with it today. It's taken me an embarrassing long time to figure it out, but something to definitely give a go, see if it works. Um, yeah, let me know how it works out. If you figure something out that I don't know, feel free to share, and vice versa. I'm just playing around with it. I'm definitely not an expert, but hopefully that helps. I miss you all. And I will talk to you soon.